Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we address a crucial aspect of modern living, the weatherproof outdoor kitchen, and let's discover how to create a stunning and durable outdoor kitchen. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In an era where indoor-outdoor fluidity is paramount, ensuring your culinary space withstands the elements is not merely a luxury, but a necessity. Let us begin with the fundamental question. What is the meaning of a weatherproof outdoor kitchen? Essentially, it denotes a culinary environment designed to endure a range of climatic conditions. This involves the selection of materials, appliances, and structural elements that resist moisture, temperature fluctuations, and ultraviolet radiation. The objective is to create a space where functionality and aesthetics remain uncompromised, regardless of environmental challenges. This is achieved through durable surfaces like treated stone or marine-grade stainless steel, robust cabinetry, and protective coverings. It is about creating a space that is as functional during a summer barbecue as it is during a sudden downpour, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Now, why choose a weatherproof outdoor kitchen? The benefits are manifold. Primarily, it extends the usability of your outdoor space, allowing for year-round entertainment and cooking. This investment significantly enhances property value, as it caters to the growing demand for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Moreover, it affords the opportunity to maximize space, particularly in regions with favorable climates. A well-designed weatherproof kitchen minimizes maintenance, mitigates the risk of damage from the elements, and ensures that your outdoor culinary experience remains consistently enjoyable. This is about creating a resilient space that enhances lifestyle and property value, a tangible and enduring investment. Moving to the aesthetic dimension, how do I decorate my weatherproof outdoor kitchen to look good? The key lies in balancing functionality with visual appeal. Employ materials that not only withstand the elements but also complement your existing architectural style. Consider incorporating natural stone, treated wood, and powder-coated metals for a cohesive look. Integrate weather-resistant fabrics for seating and shade, and select outdoor lighting that enhances both ambience and visibility. Incorporate potted plants that tolerate local climates and add greenery, and ensure that all decorative elements are securely anchored to resist wind. The goal is to create a space that is both practical and visually harmonious, a seamless extension of your interior design philosophy. Finally, let's explore the best ideas for a weatherproof outdoor kitchen. Here are 10 concepts that exemplify both durability and design excellence. One, the coastal retreat. This design prioritizes resistance to salt air and high humidity. Marine-grade stainless steel appliances are crucial, offering superior corrosion resistance. Teak cabinetry, known for its natural oils, withstands moisture and warping. A granite countertop, when properly sealed, provides a durable and beautiful surface that can handle the coastal environment. Attention to ventilation is paramount, to prevent the buildup of moisture. A covered portion of the kitchen, utilizing sturdy awnings or pergolas, will also add to the space's usability. 2. The mountain lodge. Tailored for cooler climates, this style emphasizes robust construction. Stone foundations and timber framing create a rustic, yet solid structure. A built-in pizza oven adds warmth and functionality, perfect for social gatherings. A robust fireplace serves as a central point, providing heat and ambience. Employing sealed stone countertops will assist in long-term durability. The covering of this kind of kitchen is also important, due to heavy snowfalls and weather occurrences in mountains. 3. The desert oasis. Designed to combat intense heat and dryness, this kitchen utilizes stucco finishes for its thermal properties. Concrete countertops offer a cool and durable surface. A well-designed shade structure, such as a pergola with retractable canvas, is essential for protection from the sun. The landscaping is also important. Xeriscape plants should be considered, with built-in drip watering systems. 4. The urban terrace. Maximizing limited space is key. A compact design with integrated stainless steel surfaces optimizes functionality. A vertical garden adds greenery and visual interest, while also helping regulate temperature. Utilizing storage options that are built in and contained in waterproof cabinets is important. Also, selecting small but multifunction appliances will make the most of the limited space. 5. The tropical paradise. This design embraces the natural beauty of tropical climates. Thatched roofing provides shade and rain protection, while bamboo cabinetry offers a lightweight, yet durable option. A built-in grill is essential for outdoor cooking, and the inclusion of a powerful exhaust system will make cooking enjoyable. Selection of waterproof and mold-resistant fabrics for any seating is also very important. 6. The modern minimalist. Sleek, powder-coated aluminum cabinetry provides a contemporary and durable aesthetic. Quartz countertops offer a non-porous and easy-to-clean surface. Integrated LED lighting enhances ambience and visibility, while also having weather protection-rated fixtures. The design will be kept simple, with clean lines and integrated appliance designs. 7. The rustic farmhouse. This style exudes charm and durability. Reclaimed wood and stone construction create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A farmhouse sink adds practicality, while a wood-fired oven provides rustic culinary experiences. Ample storage in robust, well-made cabinets is a must. The flooring should be stone or treated and sealed wood that can handle weather and foot traffic. 8. The Mediterranean villa. This design embraces the warmth and beauty of Mediterranean architecture. Stucco walls and terracotta tiles create a cohesive and visually appealing space. A built-in barbecue is ideal for outdoor gatherings. Ample shaded areas are a must, along with fans for air circulation. The selection of potted plants that thrive in those climates is also key. 9. The Scandinavian sanctuary. This design emphasizes simplicity and functionality. Light-colored stone and wood create a bright and airy atmosphere. Integrated heating, such as radiant floor heating or outdoor heaters, ensures comfort in cooler climates. This design often utilizes well-placed windbreaks, such as sturdy glass paneling, to enhance user comfort. Selection of high-quality outdoor fabric for seating and cushions is also very important. 10. The contemporary entertainer. This design focuses on social gatherings and durability. Large-format porcelain tile countertops offer a sleek and easy-to-maintain surface. Stainless steel appliances and a built-in bar enhance functionality. Lighting should be well planned to provide ambient lighting for entertaining, as well as task lighting for food preparation. Considerations for built-in audio systems should also be thought of. These examples illustrate the diverse possibilities for creating a weatherproof outdoor kitchen. Each design prioritizes durability while maintaining aesthetic integrity, ensuring that your outdoor space remains both functional and visually appealing for years to come. A well-executed weatherproof outdoor kitchen is a valuable addition to any home. It extends living spaces, enhances property value, and provides a durable, aesthetically pleasing environment for culinary enjoyment. By carefully selecting materials, appliances, and design elements, you can create a space that withstands the elements while reflecting your personal style. We at Homes Decor Designs encourage you to consider these principles in your next outdoor project. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on home decor and design. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.